We're also following COVID-19 updates in the Hoosier State today.
And almost every Wabash Valley county is in the red except for Vigo County.
You can see that on this map. As we told you before, red is the highest ranking on the map. It's followed by orange. The colors are tied to case numbers and positivity rates.
The state of Indiana is expanding the age groups in which Hoosiers can now receive the COVID-19 vaccine.
News 10's Dominic Miranda listened in on today's briefing with Hoosier leaders. He's live in our newsroom tonight with updates on the vaccine plan.
The big news coming from the COVID-19 press briefing today is that Hoosiers 70 years of age and older can now begin making appointments to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. Indiana's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Lindsay Weaver, says in just the past week, the number of those in Indiana who have received the COVID-19 vaccine has nearly doubled. As of Wednesday, nearly 220,000 Indiana residents have received their first dose of the vaccine. The number of people who have received both doses and are fully vaccinated has risen from 585 last week to over 40,000 this week. Nearly 455,000 Hoosiers have scheduled their vaccine appointments through the end of January. To date, nearly 100,000 Hoosiers aged 80 and up have scheduled their appointments for their first dose, and almost 20,000 have scheduled their second dose. 59,000 Hoosiers between 70 and 79 made appointments for their first dose of vaccine on Wednesday alone. Dr. Weaver says this week, Indiana will ship an additional 20,000 doses of vaccine to local health departments, and they will also deploy mobile vaccination units to long-term care facilities. Dr. Weaver says demand for vaccines in the state are incredibly high. She and Dr. Box both stress patience and say all vaccine allocations in Indiana are driven by data.
We've been planning carefully for this moment for months. Throughout the process, we've made clear, deliberate choices that are designed to avoid chaos and confusion. We do not want to see lines of people waiting hours outside for their vaccines, and offering a first-come, first-served approach does not protect those most at risk for severe illness or death.
Dr. Box says the state knows the federal government has said they will send more vaccines, but they haven't been told when, how much, or if those doses are on their way. Both she and Dr. Weaver encourage you to visit ourshot.in.gov or call 211 for more information or to schedule your COVID-19 vaccine appointment. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm News 10's Dominic Miranda. Patrice Rondrell, back to you.